Where do you think we are now in the tanker cycle, and how would you contrast this cycle from previous ones?
It's an interesting question. I think right now we're probably about early to midway through the tanker cycle, which I do think can be extended further than it has been in the past. And the reasons for that is the lack of financing in the market right now and how we're seeing the order book shaping up going forward. I think with lack of capital in the market and lack of financing, you don't see a lot of new building orders being placed. And with a lot of tankers turning 20 years of age and older in the next couple of years, I think that can really prolong the current cycle.
Can you tell us exactly how have crude tanker asset values trended in recent months for new builds and second-hand ones, and what is your outlook?
I think it's related to the first question. I think basically, even though we've had strong earnings, asset values have trended flat to slightly down. And I think a big part of that, again, is the financing and the lack of capital available for the S&P market. So my outlook for the future is until those things correct, I see asset values staying flat to marginally down for the time being.
And finally, I would just like to ask you to comment upon the contribution that Capital Link is making into promoting Greek shipping to the worldwide investor community.
I mean, Capital Link has done an amazing job through the years. Nico and his team have really expanded people's view on shipping since the early 2000s, and his conferences are not to miss event these days.